First, unlock your Android phone and tap on the Google Play Store. You will see the colorful triangle icon. Got it? In the search bar at the bottom, type Signal and hit search. You will see something like Signal Private Messenger. Make sure it's the one with the blue speech bubble icon. Can't miss it. Once you find it, tap Install. Your phone might start downloading Signal. Make sure you are connected to Wi Fi or have enough mobile data. Otherwise, your phone might take a coffee break before finishing. After it installed, tap Open. Welcome to Signal. Signal needs a few permissions like contacts and notifications so it can work properly. Tap Allow whenever prompted. Don't wait. It won't spy on you. It's all for your messaging convenience, and that's it. If this helped you install Signal quickly, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can start sending secure messages too. Happy chatting.